Our aim is to help you, to train. We like to come close, to talk, to pray, to walk alongside and explore together how we can put Jesus' command into practice better, given the situation that you're in. When we think training, we think like a general training about the concepts laid out in the book. But it can also be more in-depth, more inspirational or very specific, creating a plan, helping to get things going, or bringing change of direction. Training can be one-on-one, where we help think what this all means for your specific role and task, or it can be way more broad, where we walk alongside you as a group and think about how these concepts can help your community or church. It is our deep longing and desire to see discipleship take more place, to make disciples have been Jesus' final words and command to the church. Please contact us. It all starts with a call or email, and who knows where it will end.